If you are watching this video, I'm assuming that your company has been deregistered by CIPC, and I don't need to tell you how frustrating that is. But I would like to explain how we can help you restore your company. Your company has been deregistered because you have failed to pay your annual returns to CIPC. If you want more information on how to pay your annual returns, please watch my video on this topic. There can be serious legal implications if your company is deregistered, as it no longer exists as a legal entity. For example, 1. Your business account will be frozen. 2. Your companies will be unable to get a tax clearance certificate from SARS. 3. Any properties owned by the company cannot be sold, as the assets now effectively belong to the government. And 4. Even certain actions taken by the directors will be deemed to be void, meaning they are not legally enforceable. This, however, will all be legal again once your company has been restored. However, not all companies can actually be restored. There are, in fact, only 3 instances in which CIPC will restore your company. 1. By order of a court. 2. If your company owns any property. And 3. If your company was active at the time of deregistration. If none of these can be proven, then CIPC will not reinstate your company. In this case, we advise you to register a new company from scratch. Restorations are a time-consuming process and can take anything from 6 to 8 weeks. It can also be an expensive exercise, as your company is only fully restored once all the outstanding annual returns and penalties are paid in full. So what do you need to restore your company? CIPC requires a number of forms which are pretty straightforward, so I'll just mention those that are slightly trickier. Firstly, you'll require a multiple deeds office search to prove whether the company owns properties or not. 12 months bank statements starting 6 months before the deregistration and 6 months after to prove that the company was active at the time of deregistration. All that you have to do now is to click on that application button and we will email you a user-friendly application. I hope this has been helpful, so as always remember, we are here to help.